বাইরে বৃষ্টি হচ্ছে নাকি রে?
স্লিপ খেয়ে নিতে পড়তে হবে।
তাই না? লাগবে তো প্রচন্ড।
লাগবে না।
আর জায়গা নেই প্রচন্ড। দাঁড়াও, just starting.
বলো তো।
We are today going to a hike in a slot canyon in the Grand Staircase Escalante area, which is located in the southern Utah. To reach to the Peekaboo and Spooky trailhead, we have to drive this 26 mile of dirt road, which is located on the Hole in the Rock road. It is of south of the town of Escalante. You have to be cautious during any flash flood or any heavy rain because this dirt road becomes very muddy during that time. We have now come across the dirt road and this is the starting of the trail. We have to go into the desert around 2 or 2.5 miles and then we can reach to the Peekaboo Slot Canyon. Some most important tips which you shouldn't avoid is that you should at least take 4 to 5 liters of water for each of you who are hiking because you will become very dehydrated during the hike because there are very small trees. There are no such large trees or something where you can shade yourself. So take appropriate amount of water, at least 4 liters of water each of you so that you don't get dehydrated. Hello!
Hello.
The weather today is very dry and arid. Oh, this pile of stones are formed because of this. For the track. Oh yes. So one more important thing we should take a note of is there is no trekking sign or symbol in the whole hiking desert. So what we saw is that there is some pile of rocks or stones after some distance, after a gap, and if you can able to see a pile of rock or pile of stone is in your way, think you are in the correct path. If you are not, there is a probability that you may get lost in the vast arid desert. After 2.5 miles of hike into the desert, we have reached to the beginning of the Peekaboo Slot Canyon. So this is the start of the Slot Canyon. We have to jump and slide up to the canyon walls and enter into the other side of the Peekaboo Slot Canyon.
চশমাটা একটু উঠিয়ে চশমাটা খোলো এই চশমাটা
And thus Shubhrata, the guy in the yellow tee, and our group leader, very enthusiastic person, help us to climb this Peekaboo Slot Canyon at the very beginning of the hike. Amazing slot canyons. Whew.
না আমি ওকে
And this slot canyon is not very far from the Bryce Canyon city as well. It's only 2 hours drive from the Bryce Canyon. So if you are staying in the Bryce Canyon and planning to go in any of the day to this slot canyon, you can go in any of your day and spend half of the day in this beautiful slot canyon. This Peekaboo Slot Canyon is more like the structure of the Antelope Canyon. I remember when I visit Antelope Canyon last year, it was more commercialized. You have guided tour there, but here you will not find any guided tour. You have to hike all alone with your own. You have to find your own path, and it's more fun exploring. I remember when we are coming down to the desert to enter into the Slot Canyon, we are almost off track because of this vast desert. We are almost lost, and where to finish the hike and where to start the Slot Canyon, we just lost. I mean, we didn't find anything, but we had much fun. And after entering into this Peekaboo Slot Canyon, it really amazed me. It's so beautiful. The red slot canyon in the upper part, the white sediments in the below of the canyon. It is really a warm feeling for me.
This is a good place to run through.
Thank you.
This twisted walls, this narrow slots, this orange, purple and deep red canyon walls, it's wonderful. It's so beautiful. It's just amazed me. When I visited Antelope Canyon last year, because of its guided tour and it has become so commercialized that I specifically didn't get much time to feel the canyon in my own way. I didn't get time to touch, to feel, to relax, to sit in this canyon. But here, when I visited, there is no one to make you feel like you have to complete it in a specific time, because in Antelope Canyon there is a tour where there are like 30-40 peoples together came and visited the canyon, so it become much crowded. But in this Peekaboo Slot Canyon, you can feel, you can relax, you can observe the canyon in your own way. There is almost no path to pass. You have to make your own path in the Slot Canyon to pass. See, you have to make the path here. While coming to hike this beautiful Slot Canyon, I also watched many YouTube videos, read many blogs on the Google, where the most important recommendation what I saw is not to bring any backpack or any tripod or any cameras apart from the sufficient amount of water you need to hike this total 6.5 mile of total Peekaboo and Spooky Loop Slot Canyon. This is the most important recommendation I saw, because in this Peekaboo Slot Canyon, what I saw till now, there are some spaces which is so narrow that you cannot climb or crawl with your own body, and it will be very difficult for you to carry a backpack, to carry a camera with you and then crawl and climb along this one. So do not ignore this recommendation, and yes, carry sufficient amount of water and avoid taking any backpack or any tripod or cameras. And yes, we have also made the same mistake even after the recommendation of not carrying any backpack and cameras is mentioned in each and every blog. Hi. So we have now came across the beautiful Slot Canyon Peekaboo. This is in Utah in Grand Escalante, and it's so beautiful. And you can get through almost all the sections for both the Slot Canyons. Wow. And you can expect thrills and chills as you climb, scramble and squeeze your way through about 3.5 miles of both the Slot Canyons. It's a treat hiking for us. আরো চওড়া হয়েছে এখানটায়, আর তোমার ইয়ে হয়েছে, উঁচু হয়েছে না। We have completed the Peekaboo Slot Canyon hike and now proceeding towards Spooky Slot Canyon. Stay tuned with us for the next video of Spooky Slot Canyon hike.
देखिए এখন হাইকে না অন্য নয় কি ভিডিও আসছে হাতে দাও ও হাতে দাও হাত তেরি ওসব কিছু দরকার নেই চলো একটু ভাই থ্রিল আনতে কোনো ব্যাপার চাই আয় উঠে গেছে এলাই থ্রিল পেয়ে যাবে ইয়ে মনে ক্যারিয়ার আছে কেন আর শট নেই এটাই লাস্ট স্পুকি এটা মনে হয় স্পুকি নাকি এর সুব্রতকে ধরে না ধরতে তো আনন্দ শেষ সুব্রত নেমে ভালো আসছে আমি দেখেছি
না, না।
আরে না
Done.